Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Campbell and I'm going to give you a tour of my home office. First, we're going to start over here. So this is where I keep all of my books and my resources. So I have a bunch of learning supplies here. I'm a huge Cricut crafter, so if you want to come over here and see that I have all of my glitter vinyl, all of my Cricut supplies, infusible ink, cardstock, vinyl, all that good stuff. Then over here I have my degree where I got my Master of Arts in Urban Education with a concentration in literacy. Over here is where I keep my books. These books right here are mainly for students, and then the books down here are books that I use for self-improvement, and some of those are really great books. So if you guys want any recommendations, let me know because I have a ton. Over here we have my Virtual School Day, which is a book that I wrote last year. And then actually here's a project that I made with my Cricut. You want to come in and look at this little sign that I made. I think that's super cute. I use it to keep my Cricut crafts. And then down here, I have more supplies, more books, more student supplies, as well as on this side, I have more books that I have when people buy them. I just use that as my inventory. I have a bunch of paper, paint, extra manipulatives here, and then another craft drawer where I keep just a bunch of random stuff like hot glue gun, thread, needle, ink, glitter, just a bunch of stuff that I'll need for different projects. And this is my desk, my comfortable chair where, you know, I sit here sometimes, look out the window, and I say, what am I doing today? So then, as you can see, it's actually snowing. It's the first snow that we've received this season. So yeah, take a look at that. It is a blizzard out there, so hopefully people are staying safe. Over here is where I keep all of my technical supplies. So I have my tripod, I have my table tripod, so I just put my phone here and record my crafts whenever I need to. And the sun really helps for that natural light to get really, really good, crisp video for my crafting. I have my printer, a microphone, an Oculus. I love to play my Just Dance games on there. I have a little camera. And then here is where my main supplies are for my Cricut crafting. So I have a Cricut Easy Press, a Cricut Easy Press Mini, a Cricut Joy, a Cricut Mug Press, Cricut Maker 3. This is the latest Cricut that was just released. The original Cricut Maker. And then I have my plugs. I have a GoPro down here. I can actually show it to you guys. So I use my GoPro for adventure stuff when I'm on vacation. I like to just, you know, turn it on and get some different footage that looks a little different from my iPhone. So my GoPro, I have my microphone. This is different from the Yeti microphone. This is a Rode wireless microphone. So I like it because you can just plug it in and it looks like this. Oops. So I'll show you how it works actually. So you could plug in the adapter like this, and you just like clip it on, and you can stick it inside your shirt and then clip it on, and that's how it makes the sound a little bit better when you're on your phone and you're recording something or you're going on Instagram Live. I'm not using it right now, but it does really, really improve the quality of audio. And then I have my iPad Pro, my laminator, and then my GoPro tripod. So yeah, this is basically what I use to create all the content that I make for my Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my home office. Please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.